Hey there, Ron this side. Welcome to Adalo tutorial for beginners. Adalo is a no-code platform that lets you build custom mobile and web pages without writing a single line of code. Whether you are a startup founder, small business owner, or just aspiring entrepreneur, this guide will teach you how to create functional app using drag and drop tools. Now let's dive in. So, first of all, just go to Google, search for Adalo, click on this first link. This is the official website here. Now let's go to the pricing. We will talk about the pricing. It's free, but obviously the free version comes with a very limited set of resources and features. Now there's a starters, professional, and there's a lot here. You can just come up and you can just compare the other set of things here, other set of features, right? Pretty easy to do and pretty simple. Now simply just go and click on sign up on the top right side corner, and once you come up here, it will ask you to enter your email address, mention it, enter your password and your name, and click on let's do this. Now you have to verify through your email, so let's go to email. This is a code. Copy this up, paste it here, and click on let's do this again. Now what type of app would you like to build? So select an app type or input your own more specific app idea. So let's say I want to create, let's take a pretty difficult one. Let's say it's an e-commerce app. Now click on continue. Now let's get some e-commerce app data in your first app. So we can start, I will start with the sample data. If you want to import your data, you can just put it here, or you can sync data from existing software. If you're using here, there is a list of integration. So let me show you. So basically this is you have to connect here, right? And they support a lot of integration here. You can see here, you can just connect it up, and if you just want to test, you can watch this complete video. You can try yourself with the sample data. So let's go and click on here. Where do you want your user to view this app, on mobile device or tablets? Let's say I want to make them view on mobile device, easiest way, right? So let's go and click on continue. Now this is a UI, so this is a login page. I can zoom this out, right? Now here you can see this is obviously we can enter the company name, I mean the logo and everything. Once a user is able to log in, there's a list of things, right? And this is a product detail. Once they tap on it, they can create it, their account, right? And everything here. So we'll just talk one by one here. So on the left side, you will find this plus icon, right? This is a branding, screen, database, and there's a lot more. So let's go and click on this plus icon here. Now here you will find this option. For example, I want to edit this up, right? Now here, so I can always edit this up. Now let's say I want to edit this section here. Once I go and click on here, automatically it will give me a set of options. So let's say if I just go and click on here, you can see everything will be changed, right? Let's say I want to edit this entire section, this welcome page, so I can change it from here, right? Which is pretty easy thing to do. So here, first of all, you can edit this up. Now let's say I want to change the layout. I can change the layout. Let's say I want to make it fixed. Let me make it with the scale with the parent, right? Anchor left and right. So you can change it here. Although there's a not a huge features where you can just completely change the flexibility, right? It's not 100% flexible, but you can change it here, the text, the logo, and everything. You can click and add an action. So let's say I want to add an action. It should go to the user thing, right? So I can create it here. I can just completely customize it up, right? Now let's say I want to change this login page, so I will just click on, let's say once they enter the email and the password, so it's a user, right? Once they enter it, they will able to log the user in, right? And this is a field. So why do you want some extra information? You can add visible field here. Let's say for example name, right? Or you can add automatic field, right? For example, this is username, full name, profile, right? So pretty easy. You can edit the style, you can submit button. So this is a submit login button. We can change it up, and if a user clicks on it, where it will redirect. I can change the style. For example, I want to change the color, right? Depending on your brand color. So in this way you can just do it, and you can completely customize a lot of things here. And this is for the branding, and once you change the color in the branding, automatically it will get changed here. This is screen. So let's say it only created first one. This around first, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? You can go and create more screen if you want, and you can completely optimize, completely edit it out, right? Now this is database. I took this very simple records here, right? This is settings, right? Now you can change the app logo, you can change your tagline, your app name, right, completed from the deep learning, and this is basically redirecting and fallback. So where to redirect user when the app is not installed. So you can just completely change it. For example, I want to redirect to a specific page, so I can click on custom and then I can add the information. I can add the URL for the iOS and this is for the Android, and click on save. Now this is published. So once I go and click on view app, let's just go and click on view app here. Now this is analytics, right? It will show me how many users I have, from where they are using the application and everything. This is a version history. If there is any kind of bug, I can just make changes and each changes will be into a new versions, right? Now let's go and click on share preview. Now this is the app here. I have to just enter the name. So let's say this is Ron, and I'll just write here ron at gmail.com, password, and click on sign up. Now here we got sign up. Now list of the things here, but let's, okay, it is asking me the same, so it's working perfectly fine. I can create a new, I can add the images, short description, long description, and click on create, right? So pretty easy. Somehow I created create without entering any of the details, and it's not moving to the next forward, I mean next step, right? So in this way, but I wanted to create a e-commerce app and I don't think e-commerce app are like this. So obviously, I mean, it doesn't completely create on their own. If I just go to the screens, I have to create screen for every specific things here, just like how the normal mobile applications are made, right? And depending on that, I can just customize it and I can fix the bugs, right? The only best thing which I would like about the Adalo, that I don't have to code. I can just drag and drop, just like how the normal websites are made. I mean, for example, Shopify Wix, right? You can completely drag and drop and it works perfectly fine. But there is no such powerful application and no such application way to make for mobile applications, right? And this is one of it. Adalo is pretty good. You can use it, but you cannot expect that it will make completely on their own. But right now AI is coming up, so you can always use the AI and have an eye on the AI, right? What is happening, and can you use it to, just by entering the prompt, can you create an app? And actually it is possible. If you want to know, we can make a good video on it. Let us know in the comment box. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe. And please, there's a link given in the description. That link is basically, you can just click on it, and if you want to buy subscription or Adalo, you can get it from there. It's the best way because it's official affiliate link, and you will get a good discount, and plus it's a way to support our channel.